Start by entering an address or zip code. This will load an interactive map of postal carrier routes in your general market area. Hover over any route to learn demographic details and mailbox counts. Easily switch between hybrid, map, or table view in the top left corner for different visualizations of your route details. You have 2 ways to choose your market area. Use the point-and-click tool to add or remove routes by clicking on them, or the Draw on Map tool to outline the exact areas you want to target. You can also target by geographic proximity. Just click to apply a radius or drive time distance from your starting address. For even more precise audience targeting, use the demographic heat map filters on the left menu to visualize your market by income, age, home ownership, and more. Red areas indicate the best matches for your target audience. These areas may respond best to your offers. The menu on the right shows a live summary of total addresses, pricing for advertising value bundles, and EDDM-only options.